Listen, I'm be swinging that ponytail, child, walking around. Just a swinging.
Oh shit, I'm moving like a dipshit. Stop, ball, back it up now, let me see your hips.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by CurlyMeHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her lemon water today. But I want some wine, so hold up. The deals are here, just a little bit. Cheers to the Black Friday deals, okay? Save that money. Now, before I get into this 360 wig install, just understand I'm not used to this texture from CurlyMe. I'm more partial to their curly wigs, but they said, hold up. Try this one. So before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from CurlyMeHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their brand new 360 Kinky straight in 24 inches. It comes with the Invisi-drawstring in the back, an elastic band, and removable combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. I'm going to take out the ones on the side just because I'm not going to use those on my wig. My plan is to wear this hair in like a up style. We'll see how that works out because, you know, it's 24 inches. This unit does come pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. I'm gonna say, CurlyMe, this doesn't really look pre-bleached. I mean, the knots look small. It's like a bleach on, bleach off. I'm also not seeing a lot of pre-pluckedness just based on how this is sitting on my hand. I plan on doing 2 little things right here in the front, so I don't expect a lot of my hairline to be showing. If my wig is too short, because they did pre-cut it for me, I may have to use some hair on the sides, but we'll see. Hold on, let me get a little drink. Drink your water. I'm just going to use my water in my wig perfume to spray this wig down because it does have a slight chemical smell, not as heavy as the curly wigs that I've gotten from them. Let's just work that on in, and then I'm gonna take my wig perfume or hair perfume, spray that on there, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out, comb that out. I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Creamy Bronze to tint my lace. Make sure I get up on my sides as well. Again, this is a 360 wig, so everything is out. Wait, let me put my wig cap on. Pin that down to the back. Pin that down to the back. Oh, wait a minute. My nail about to pop off. See how she's sitting. The lace for CurlyMeHair is always good. Wait a minute, what's going on? It looks like they missed a stitch, and now it has caused my elastic band to come out. Uh-oh. I want to make sure this is going to fit on my head, so let me loosen it. Come on, get over my head. They're probably like, what's going on? I'm tightening my wig down, child. Couldn't breathe for a second. Y'all see how it's cutting a little short on my sides? When it comes to these 360 wigs that are pre-cut, they're cutting these pretty much the same, and not everybody's head shape is the same. So just be mindful of that. I can still finagle mine, so I ain't too worried about it. But for someone who is not quite sure how to work a 360 wig, it may be a little confusing. This cap size is said to fit 21.5 to 24.5 head sizes. My head size is a 23, and I've tightened down the elastic band, and I'm also going to tighten down the invisible drawstring in the back. Just going to tighten it, and I'm going to tuck it back up under there. More than likely I'll have to pull out my sides right here, but for right now we're going to leave it. I'm going to take my blow dry brush on high, and I'm going to sleek the hair out. Now I need to pluck a little bit of this hair just to make sure my hairline is going to sit right. Be real careful because I don't want to take out any extra hair that I don't need to, because you'll bald this hairline real quick. Then you'll have to cut your lace back. Bring it down right here. Bring it down right here. And then I want a little bit of hair on the sides. Not a lot. Just a touch of tracks. Let me just clip this in place. Let me clip this up. Let me get the back down, or my gel. To make sure my nape is up. Brush that up. Then I'm gonna take some of the hair so I can hide that track. Bring that down like so. Then I'm gonna take my bobby pin, push it down, and bobby pin that in place. Same thing over here. And then bobby pin that in place. Perfect. If you want to use the combs, you could definitely use that. But because of where the combs sit on this wig, I can't have the stress of the wig pulling back with the combs right there. I'm just going to bring some hairs down. They sent me a Gucci Lucha band. Let me hold you down. Wrap it as tight as possible. We got to put this hair up into the ponytail. Ponytail, ponytail, ponytail. Like my daughter be saying, Mommy, can I have a ponytail? Let me try to get it as flat as possible. Get that hair up there. My hair is not gonna be super flat in the back because obviously my little bush is out. Come on, one more time. Wrap this down, little gel, so hold it together. Wrap it down, wrap it down, wrap it down, wrap it down. What's that, SWAT? I might wanna watch that tonight. Bobby pin that over. And now I'm just gonna add some curls. I'm gonna spray the hairspray while it's on the curler. Dun, 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 dun. Who was that on? Something New with Sanaa Lathan, and that girl was dun, 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 dun. Let me go remind my daughter, she's still a cahad. Take my hairspray, spray it while it's on the curler, like that, and then let it go and get something to drink. I got lemons in my water. It's good for your belly. The hair is withstanding this heat, so that's always good. We don't like wigs that melt. Let me loose. And now let's get the front situated. Unwrap it. It's holding pretty decently. Bobby pin my side down. Put it right here in front of the ear and up. Uh-oh, did I pull some of the hair out? Dang it. Now, I'm not taking the ponytail down, so I'm just gonna have to bobby pin it in place. Just bobby pin it right there. Make it flat. Make it flat. Let's get my part situated. I wanna cut it about here at my chin and like a layer. And then, let me flatten this out. The curl in here. Bump it to the front. Brush some of these little hairs down. Cut these longer pieces in the front. Little gel on the hair. Cut this a little bit shorter. I don't want my wig to shift, so I'm gonna use a little bit of my Esha Melt and Slay Ultimate Hold Lace Spray right here in the front. Don't need it in the back, and I don't need it on the sides. Take my wide tooth comb. Just gonna comb this out. Comb that together. I wanted longer ones, but I don't. I need the bang to actually bang. You know what I'm saying? And I think we are done. Yeah. Here's the final look. I think I got her together. I was gonna pin her up on top of my head, but I kind of like the all-out ponytail look just because I rarely do that. I'm always doing like a bun or some type of top knot or something. Now, CurlyMeHair, if you want to do a little bit extra to that hairline, that'll be great. Based on what I've seen on your curly textures, I know you can do it for this one. But that's pretty much all I got. Listen, the deals are here. This 24-inch wig is under $200. $199 to be exact. Okay, it's under. That's with the coupon code. I'm not telling you for fun. I'm telling you so you can save. I think this is gonna be cute for the day. These curls right here may fall, but you know, I ain't too worried about it. I can probably like pin it back, maybe sorta. Give me that little bang situation. I could take out some of my hairline and just brush it over that lace if I wanted to, but because I had this little bang situation, I can kind of hide that. Listen, I'm gonna be swinging that ponytail, child, walking around. Just a swinging. I remember in elementary school, there were girls that used to do this with their hair when they would walk. And I didn't have no ponytail like that, so I used to use my book bag. My book bag would be swinging back and forth. I was gonna move something. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to CurlyMeHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.